KTM Factory Racing are pleased to announce that Francesco Guidotti will return to the company and will take the reins of the Red Bull KTM Factory Racing squad as team manager. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for your support. The 49-year-old Italian from Tuscany oversaw KTM's Grand Prix entry in the old 125 and 250cc divisions for 4 years and then departed the World Championship for a successful 2-season stint in WorldSBK. For the last decade he has been in control of one of the leading satellite teams in MotoGP before again deciding to lead the orange effort at the pinnacle of the sport. Francesco Guidotti said, "I was a team manager for KTM from 2006 to 2009 and then took some valuable experience in another series before coming back to MotoGP. Now I am able to complete the circle. KTM have always been very ambitious and hungry with their racing programs, and we can see that MotoGP is no different. It is incredible what they have achieved in such a short time and there is still much we can do. I'm very happy to be back and part of this big push for more success." Pit Bayer, KTM Motorsports director said, "It's a pleasure to have Francesco back with us and someone who knows our culture and way to go racing at KTM. We wanted to refreshen the MotoGP management structure and we feel that his input and ideas will give us some new momentum for our 6th season on the grid. With people like Francesco, Fabiano Sterlacchini, Hervé Poncherel, Jens Hainbach and Aki Aho, we know we have the best leadership to help us move ahead and make more MotoGP milestones for the company. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe our OKR Moto YouTube channel. OKR Moto is an KTM authorized dealer and service since year 2003 based in Slovakia. For more KTM related news with international subtitles, please check our playlist. Link is available in the description of this video. Thank you for your support and subscription.